Picture this, your plate is full, you're managing your business, tackling new challenges, maybe even balancing a side hustle. With so much on your mind, who has time to figure out investing? But here is the truth. You are leaving money on the table if you're not making your money work for you. That's where mutual funds come in. In the next 3 minutes, I will break down what mutual funds are, how they work, and why they could be perfect solution for busy people like you. Imagine this, you have decided to invest, but the moment you start researching stocks, bonds and ETFs, you are hit with the tidal wave of the terms and options. It's confusing, time consuming and honestly intimidating. But what if I told you there is a way to invest without needing a PhD in finance or spending hours of researching every single stock? That's exactly where mutual funds comes into play. A mutual fund is like a basket of investments managed by professionals. Instead of buying one stock or bond, you own a share of this basket, which holds many investments. And the best part, someone else does the heavy lifting for you. Here is how it works. When you invest in mutual funds, your money gets pooled in with money from other investors. A professional fund manager that uses that pool to buy a diversified mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Think of it like a team effort. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, like investing in a single stock, you are spreading your risk across multiple investments. That's diversification, and it's one of the smartest ways to reduce risk. And because it is managed by the experts, you don't have to monitor the market constantly. They do it for you, making mutual funds a time-saving option for people with a lot on their plate. So why busy people like you should care? 2 reasons: time and growth. Your time is your most valuable asset. With mutual funds, you can invest passively while focusing on growing your business. Plus, over the long term, mutual funds can help you build wealth without needing to constantly monitor the stock market. It's like planting a seed today and letting it grow while you focus on the other things you do best. Investing doesn't have to be overwhelming or time consuming. Mutual funds are designed to make it easier for people like you to grow your wealth while staying focused on what matters most to you, that is your business and your life. So what is your biggest challenge when it comes to investing? Let me know in the comment section and we can tackle it together. In any case, thanks for watching.